What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, hit subscribe right now so you get all my videos, updates as soon as they come out. Today I've got a really good one for you that's going to save you some cash if you're looking to make some upgrades. If you've been watching the channel for a while now, you know I really like BKB, Build Kit Boards. They have some awesome products. I've had a couple of their boards and they just rip. So the new updates though that you can save some money on are going to really kind of amplify the Type R board or the regular Duo to like a whole nother level. Or if you're a DIY builder, these are some sweet parts that you can get your hands on that I think are going to be a really good value for the money. So first off, the TORQUEMONSTER Upgrade Kit. And this comes with wider trucks at 236mm caliber 2 style trucks on base plates. You get your bushings, you get your pivot cups, you get everything you need with the truck. And they are a ton wider. Here's the original Duo Type R truck, right? Here's the new one. You can see how much wider this sucker really is. That's going to give you extra stability. It's going to give you just a firmer kind of planting to the ground. It's going to make it feel a little bit better while you're riding. These weren't terrible by any means, but having wider is a lot nicer at speeds for sure. Even carving, just everything, it just changes everything about the board when you go a little wider. So these are a very welcome addition that you can get for your Type R or your Duo or your DIY or whatever board you're working with. Also in the kit, you're going to get two 6384 motors. These are way bigger than the little 6354s. Now those motors weren't bad, but they were kind of small, especially for the new Type R with so much power available. Being able to bump up your amps, your motor amps, a lot higher, the board's gonna scream. These motors will take up to 100 amps. That's a ton of motor amps. And this thing is gonna really scream with these. They're really nicely constructed. They've got a logo here on the side, and you've got your sensor cable and your like power or motor cable as well for your phase wires. They've got the D-shaped shafts. I like D-shaped because you have less of a chance of your motor gear spinning on you, like in the middle of a ride or something. I've had a grub screw, the one that actually retains it, come completely loose, but because it was a D-shape, there was no movement. It didn't like come off or anything like that. Loctited everything up, and I was good to go. So these are a huge, huge upgrade. Those little 6354s, I've gone over 40 miles an hour with them. They're super powerful, but these are gonna be even stronger, especially with that much more motor amps that you can apply to them. They're 4,000 watts each, and they are 190 kV. In the kit, you also get 15-tooth D-shaped motor gears. So you'll slide these on, so 15-tooth, this thing's gonna have so much torque. And if you want higher speeds, you can switch over to that 20-tooth, and it's going to be even gnarlier on the high speed. But the torque with these, it's going to be ridiculous. So that kit is $299. Right now you can get $100 off by using TORQUEMONSTER, the code at BKB at BuildKitBoards.com, and you get $100 off. Pretty sweet deal. Now what I think is, those are awesome upgrades, but what I think is the sweetest upgrade that you can get right now, and I'm really excited to try them, is their new tires. Now you can get them as like wheels and tires in a set, or you can get just the tires themselves. Now what makes these tires so special is the shape of them. Obviously Build Kit Boards created their own mold because you can see their logo on the side of the tire, but the profile is super flat. And what that means is you're gonna have a much wider contact patch on the ground that equates to more grip. So when I compare, like look at, okay, so here's the tire versus a typical Sunmate. And these are both Build Kit Board wheels. But when you look at it, I mean, that is a huge difference. With the Sunmate style tires, you get like maybe an inch of contact. And with these new flat profile, it looks like you're gonna get like a fat 2-inch contact patch while you're riding. They feel really nice. They feel pretty soft, which I think is gonna be more comfortable too, which is cool. I haven't had a chance yet to try them, but I wanted to get this video out like right away. I'm building up another board slowly, and I'm gonna probably put these on them. These tires right now, not the wheel and tire combo, but the tires right now are $12 each. That's super cheap in the world of e-skate. So get to Build Kit Boards. There's links in the description down below. Click those and they'll take you right over. I have all the codes as well, the discount codes for everything in the description. So use those codes. They're not even affiliate codes. They're just codes that save you guys money. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop them down below. I'd be happy to answer them, and I'll see you guys on the next ride.